What's up guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to create a free demo account on TradingView. Now before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon to get notifications. To create a demo account, first go to chart, and then once you have the chart pulled up, go to TradingView. And as you can see, there's a couple of brokers here at the bottom you can choose from. In this case, we'll use TradingView's very own paper trading. Hover your mouse over it and then click on connect. A message will pop up. Just go ahead and click connect for the second time. And there you have it. One thing you'll notice is that you now have $100,000 in your account. That's how you will know you've created a demo account. From here you can just play around with it and check the position you're in, orders, history, account history, trading journal. And that's it guys. That's how simple it is to create a free demo account on TradingView. Now if you like this video, again, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon to get notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.